Supplements can greatly help in your bid to build muscle and size, and they're a great way to get your protein, nutrients, and more. Your diet is still number one, but it definitely doesn't hurt to add a few of the right supplements too. And this would hardly be a complete bulking video series without at least touching on a few. Of course, the big one here is going to be protein shake. The most popular form of protein shake is called whey protein, and this is a byproduct of the cheese making process that comes from milk. It's a lean source of protein and it also has good bioavailability, basically meaning that your body can use it. When you buy whey protein, it'll come in the form of a shake that you can easily mix with water. It's a tasty treat and it's actually very affordable and you can drink it anywhere you are. It's lean too, so ideal for those who are trying a lean bulk, and it doesn't cost that much compared with eating lots of meat. What all this means is whey protein provides one of the most convenient methods available for getting the amount of protein you need in order to bulk. A single shake can get you anything from 20 to 50 grams of protein, and you can have two or three a day. But for those who just want to bulk and aren't bothered by how clean the bulk is, you can go one step further and use a weight gainer instead. This is a protein shake plus a huge amount of calories and carbohydrates to fuel you with energy, and it often has other supplements like BCAAs, creatine, etc. as well. Do you need to take a protein shake or a weight gainer? Well, certainly not. In fact, you don't need any supplements at all. But you'll find it can be a real struggle to reach your calorie and protein goals otherwise. When combined with the right diet and the right training, this can be enough to really accelerate your growth and to help you get much bigger, much faster. And if you're new to all this, then why not set yourself up for a win? Of course, there are other supplements you can use for bulking too, though none quite so useful for game changing as the shakes. One example of something worth checking out is creatine. Creatine is a supplement that is very popular amongst Olympic athletes and others, thanks to its ability to improve cellular energy. It does this by recycling the ATP used by the muscles, ATP being the purest source of energy. And this allows you a few extra seconds of maximum exertion. This can be pretty helpful in the gym when you're going all out, but that's not actually why we're interested in it. Instead, we're interested in creatine because it also happens to have the ability to increase fluid retention in the muscles. When you consume creatine, it encourages the muscles to store more glycogen and water, which in turn makes them actually appear slightly larger. That's right, just by using creatine, you can actually see your muscles increase in size by about an inch. Then there are the other supplements. You have things like your BCAAs, which can help to prevent the breakdown of muscle. You have your things like testosterone boosters. And then you have your pre workouts. While these can all help to some small degree, they're also expensive and quite complicated. The small amount of benefit they provide, as a general rule, won't be worth the time or the expense. And so, for that reason, it makes a lot more sense to stick with the protein shake stroke weight gainer and perhaps creatine. Don't bog yourself down with the rest unless you're starting to reach that genetic potential level where you really do need every last bit of help you can get. Oh, one more small thing I would recommend is actually to take some sort of multivitamin. We've already seen the importance of micronutrients. Vitamin C prevents muscle breakdown and may actually be one of the most overlooked contributing factors to muscle gain. Calcium helps to strengthen your bones, your connective tissues, and your muscle contractions. Vitamin D improves sleep and boosts testosterone production. The list goes on. And apart from anything else, when you're working out that hard in the gym, it really does pay to give yourself all the help you can get with regards to repairing your body and keeping your immune system strong. A vitamin supplement could be the difference between continuing your workout or having to take months off due to illness.